Excuse my background. I am in a different location and this is all I got. But my hair is done. I couldn't video to show you the final look because my camera cut off and I had to travel to the airport right away. And so this is the final look. I actually flat ironed it and it was pointless because it frizzes up right after. This is the length of the hair. This is the length of hair. It reaches right about my boob area, and this is the length in the back. So it's quite long, but it's not as long like waistline. It's like a little below the bra strap. I like this hair, but it just tends to get really big when it's frizzy. It doesn't stay straight and it frizzes up like even when you flat iron it, unless maybe you put in some special products or whatever to get a super bone straight, but I haven't done that yet. I just wanted to complete this video really quickly, so that is it. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you guys later. Bye. Shut up.